Every day I begin my blog with good morning. I will begin today with good evening. I've been playing. I just finished this. I give a shower to my dog. That is the reason all the towel. And it is done. That is my sweater. I was going to begin the other one, but I was still waiting my yarn on. I iron my cloth, so it will be good to begin to do my dress. But I don't know if I will do it tonight. I am working also on this. Remember that we were talking. This is my house management. I'm working on March. I finish all the house cleaning, important dates. I leave the space here. Then I have here Lent. I put the dates from 2025 to 2030, and I left more space because sometimes you can add stuff that you forgot. I can add things that I forgot or put some pictures. And I'm working on my weekly task. I need to do my weekly number 4, but on this one I'm including now gardening also. So let's see how it goes. I finished doing my weekly and also I did my deep cleaning. I left the space here as I always planned, and then I remember it's good that I left the space. Palm Sunday, a little more description of what I need to do, and I will have room for pictures in the other side if I need. Also, I went to look for this. It's like tea time and spring. I will take these pictures and put at the end where I will have my decorations part. Okay, finish March. I actually finished adding this Palm Sunday and other important dates like Holy Monday, Holy Tuesday, Holy Wednesday, Holy Thursday, and Good Friday before this. And I left a space here if I need extra things. My deep cleaning for my den with all the areas that I have to do. Here is where we go all the pictures. I have some of them. I have for Easter, some of my spring decor that I did before, some of my St. Patrick's, and I left a lot of room because I want to continue taking pictures and do it, and I'm ready to begin April. But I'm happy that I have March done. So slowly I'm getting my planner working. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you want to see what I do for April. Really? Tired? Huh? You want? You want to go pee-pee, huh? We're having a very big storm. It's hard to see, but my light was leaking. I turned off my computer. I put candle, and in good time, I got my last yarn for this sweater. So also, if I lose power, I have something that I will be doing. So let's finish this other sweater. Okay, tonight we will do where it is busy day cake. It looks good enough. 3/4 cup of shortening, 1 3/4 cup of sifted cake flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 unbeaten egg, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. I think that is enough, and it's all one bowl cake. Let's do it. My mess. Okay, I finished cleaning everything and now I have to wait almost 7 minutes there. I know, it's not for me. It's for this little monster. He's not even eating, so I need to cook just a tiny. Okay, middle of his ground beef with gravy. This will be easy for him to eat. I know. Okay, he's waiting there. I know you're waiting, you're